Okay, we're playing Platformer Chef, so let's play. Ready? Choose your chefs. I'm a guy. Let's choose the guy. Ready? WASD, so pretty much any platform games. You need to get one hamburger, it looks like. Space or F? Let's do F. Space. We're now cooking. Oh, it's taking forever. Oh, we can move around while we're cooking. That's good. Spacer. Now we have a patty now. Spacer F to get a plate. But we don't have any buttons. Oh, there it is. Oh, we're just trying to serve food. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, what we have? What are we trying to make? Another burger? Oh my God, we have to get the freaking. Let's get the bun. No, we need the meat. Ah, frick. I can't get the bun now. Whatever. Let's try again. Level failed. Ah, okay. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Let's get a patty. Ah, I could have used a trash can. Oh, frick. In the meantime, let's get a bun. Ooh, quickly.
Yummy.
We did it in what? In what? 25 seconds? 24 seconds? That's okay. Let's see. We're trying to make a cheeseburger. I'm guessing. So we have to cut up the cheese. Whoops. Okay. On a plate. Get some onions. So a cheese and onions burger. Chop that and press F right until the number reaches 0. That was pretty easy. Get a drink as well.
Yummy.
Okay, this is going to be another speed run. Okay, let's start off with that regular meat and cheeseburger. Where the frick is all the supplies? Here they are. Let's start off with the meat because those take longest to cook. And let's take some cheese. Ah, frick, I don't have time for cheese. Get some buns. It's not a. I need a plate. Okay, let's see which one. Ah, I forgot about the cheese that I never got around to cutting. This is actually kind of stressful. Okay, now you have your regular cheeseburger with a drink. Who wants that?
Yummy.
Oh, now I gotta get the meat again. Oh, frick. I need some freaking onions. I'm gonna take this, get a plate. I really need to get a plate first. Like, plates are kind of important. Okay. Buns. Got it, that's good. Now I need a drink.
Yummy.
Easy. Only took 1 minute 30 seconds. I had a minute to spare. Whew! It's actually kind of stressful, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see, let me look around. Let's get a plate. Ah, oh God. Where are all the supplies? Let's get meat first. Let's get the meat cooking. Then I can get some cheese. Put that on the plate. Put that on the plate. I need some buns. Where the frick are the buns? Oh, here they are. Ah, I need some onions as well. I'm not doing anything fish. I can only carry one thing at a time. Kind of annoying. Okay, that's the burgers done. Let's see, what does he want? He wants let's see. Either drink is fine.
Mmm, yummy.
Let's get a plate. Ah, frick. Ah, who cares about a plate? I'm just gonna put raw meat. Okay. Cheese. Let's see, what else do I need? Let's get a plate. I still need onions, frick. How much time? I still have over a minute. Okay, I'm not even stressed. I want my start, but I'm not overly stressed. Ah, frick. Let's see which one. A cola.
Yummy.
Oh. 3 stars again. Oh, this game is actually pretty fun. It's like an obby plus some cooking. Okay, not another speed run. I'm trying to make a burger. Let's get a plate because we always need that. Haha, failed. I gave him 1 plate. Ah, frick. Okay, let's get some tomatoes. How do chocolate can leave to stick to the bar? Oh. How am I supposed to do that? Oh, that's gonna be annoying as crap. Where's the bun? Oh. What is this? Lettuce? Oh, frick. Okay, so it's just... This is like a veggie sandwich. So each of them have a different cutting way. Okay. Oh, you have a sandwich with everything and a lettuce with cheese. Let's see. Let's get the cheese first. Where the frick is the cutting stand? Here it is. Get a plate. I need some meat. Where's the meat? Ah, whatever, I'll get the lettuce. I'm just gonna do... Let's get a bun as well. Come on. Okay, we got that. What drink does he want? A cola? It's annoying. What is this? He's the number 2. Ah, frick. Ah, I have to remake the same burger again. Let's get some cheese. Frick, I made the right burger, I just delivered to the wrong guy. Let's get all the cutting down. Onion, nope, not onion. Let's see what. Lettuce. Let's get the meat next, and then we can get the bun afterwards. Okay, let's see. Let's get a cola and deliver to the right guy this time.
Yummy.
Oh, 2 stars because I messed up. Okay, let's do the last level. 3 minutes. Cutting board, plate. Let's start from the bottom. Lettuce. What? Let's get some meat. Where's the cook? I hope I don't overcook it. Come on. I got lettuce. Come on, I need cheese. No drink. So what is this? Number 1.
Yummy.
Okay, next one. Let's see, meat with onions, okay. I gotta hurry if I want to. Onions. I need my meat. Perfect timing. Ah, I forgot I undercooked it like half a second. Who cares? But oh my god, it's not cooked. Dude, it was like half a second. I mean, at least in the meantime, oh, that's all I had to do. I wasted meat so much time. Let's get the buns. I'm so inefficient. Whoever made this kitchen is inefficient. That's good. Ah. Who is this, number 3 guy?
Yummy.
Oh no, with everything, okay. Let's start off getting some lettuce, then some cheese. What? What do you mean? I got it. I so got it. Let's get cheese next. Now let's get some meat and then go for the buns. I only have 40 something seconds left. I need some onions. Oh, that took so long because I...
Yummy.
That shit took so long. This game's actually pretty fun, so I hope you enjoy. Please watch again.